This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to Fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models, and a very warm welcome to issue 29 of Building Optimus Prime, the Transformer. In this issue, we're continuing with the whole pelvis area after looking at Colonel Sharp. Don't know, we don't get to see a picture of him, we just get to see a picture of a helicopter. I don't know exactly who he is, but there we go. The quest for peace, always a good thing. I don't think the Decepticons are after peace. They're not questing very hard for it. Shrapnel is a name that sounds familiar. Not so much the model, but there we go. Continuing Series 5 of the Decepticons. More sort of insectoid things. Various aircraft, by the looks of it, aircrafty type things. Yeah, okay, but a bit generic. Nothing special there. Yeah, pelvis and the torso. We've got another piece of the pelvis, which we're not doing anything with. Putting together some little bits, and then putting some posts into the parts that we've already got. So, yeah, it's all sort of back behind the scenes sort of prep, and then eventually it'll all come together, I'm sure. But not yet. Let's get these bits done. So here we have the other part that we've got today, which is going to be the back of that bit, or the front of that bit, isn't it? It's definitely going to go together like that. Quite lightweight, considering it's, you know, a main also piece. But I'm sure there's probably metal insert framework things, because this is quite substantial. And this is what we're going to be dealing with now. We've got these pieces to pop together. We've got a little inset there, which just pops in like that. Got a flat side to the post, so you can only get it one way round. A bit like that. But those we're not doing anything else with. What we are doing is with these, they are fitting into there. Again, it's got flat bayoneted side. So rotate it until it locks in place, basically, which I think that already did. Yep, that's there. So one screw will go in there. To hold that in place. Go. That's that one. Need to tighten that up a little bit more, but that's that. And this one does exactly the same on the other side. In there. Like that, and screw will hold that together. In there, and I'll get that tightened up as well. Another little attachment point for whatever it is that's going to attach. I don't know. But for now, that is that. We'll be back next time and obviously continuing this and build some more up onto it. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.